What is up, y'all? Hemi back with another video. Today we're gonna be installing, as y'all can tell from the title and the thumbnail, the 3-piece Wickerbill from Psdesigns. I'm making a video mainly because I've looked up videos myself and there's not really a video on this particular on this product. I haven't really seen anybody making an install video on how to do this. Feel me? I'm gonna make it myself, and we're gonna see how this goes. I just looked at some other videos on like 2-piece, 1-piece designs, and since we got 3-piece designs, it's a little different. I'm gonna see how this go. But right now, we're gonna be installing it on Dodge Charger RT 2022. So right now, I'm gonna just show y'all where we at, cause I kind of started, like not really, but I started a little bit, but I'm nowhere near done. So, all right. So first things first. Y'all want to tape this. Y'all want to get this centerpiece right here, and y'all want to center it on the spoiler and tape it up. So I kind of got it like taped up a little bit. The tools that you're gonna need. This is I think it's a 27 or a 23 by 64 drill bit. I do have the 1 by the 1/8 drill bit, so that's what you're gonna be needing. And then I also got the wrench and socket. So I got the whole set right here, the 7 by 16. For me, I got Sharpie, whatever, tape, I got my tape measure. So yeah, I got everything. First thing you want to do once you tape it up, you want to get your 1/8 drill bit, and y'all want to drill holes, not too far, but y'all want to drill a hole right there. You see how I got 4 holes right here? See, I want to drill those. And what I'm about to do next is I'm about to take this off, and then I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna tape these on, these are the outer 2 sides. I'm gonna tape them on, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna just drill a tiny hole, not all the way through, just a tiny hole. And after I tape them up, drill the hole, I'm gonna take them off, and then we'll go from there. So right now what we're doing is we're just taking the tape off. These spoilers are hollow, so we're gonna be drilling the 25 by 64 drill bit into the holes that we already marked. So I already made one, just to see how it is. The spoiler is hollow, so when you're doing this, make sure you have it at a good enough speed to where you can get through it, but not too fast, and you don't want to put any pressure while you're doing it, because you don't want to drill it all the way through the spoiler. You just want to get it in there, and then once you feel it break, just take it right back out. So I'll show y'all a little bit what we're talking about right here. It's probably not at a high enough speed yet. Okay, that's in. Now we're gonna reverse it so we can take it back out. There we go. Bang, just like that. I'm gonna do the other ones for y'all too, just so y'all can see. Y'all can do it with me. Oops. There we go. We got our 4 holes for the centerpiece. Now what we're gonna be doing, lining up the outer sides of the Wickerbill. We're gonna do the same thing, tape this up. These 2 holes for the inside, so I can see, these 2 holes for the inside, we're gonna line these up with the 2 holes that we already have drilled. All right, and we're gonna do the same thing. So this is the rib nut thing that we're talking about. So that's what we're gonna be needing to put in here. Gonna get our wrench, 7 by 16. There we go. Get it nice and snug. Don't tighten it too hard to actually get the rib nut off. Just twist it the other way. Bang. Just like that. Now y'all see we got it in here. I'm gonna do that for all four. I bolted this on here. The two middle screws that we had already in here. Because I lined it up with this, and I drilled those 1/8 holes in there. And take our 25 by 64 and drill the holes on the sides now that we have it lined up and we know exactly where it's gonna go. Also make sure that all these pieces come with it when you unscrew it. Make sure you got these three flat, two washers, and then the star washer as well. All right, y'all. So I'm back where we last ended off with. So basically, I left the two side pieces on, and I left the two outside pieces in. Right. I took these 4 middle screws off. Once you do that, the 2 side pieces are gonna be hanging off in the middle. And so what you wanna do is with the middle piece right here, that's when you wanna put it up against it because it's gonna be on the back piece. As y'all can tell from right here, it's in the back. So what you're gonna wanna do is have those 2 pieces hanging. You wanna put this back piece up against it, line up the holes, and then that's when you can put your screws actually in there for these 4 inside ones. And when you're doing this, do not tighten the screws all the way until you've finally got it looking like this, and then you can give it the finishing touch with the screws. So yeah, I think that's it. I hope this was helpful for anybody who's looking forward to buy this specific Wickerbill. It's a 3-piece, so I know it's not common. I know people get the 1-piece or the 2-piece, but this is a 3-piece. It actually looks exactly the same compared to any other one. So like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will leave the link in the description for this exact Wickerbill so y'all can check them out. And without further ado, like, comment, and make sure y'all subscribe for sure. It's gonna help us out in the long run because we're gonna have more stuff on the way as usual. And so yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna show y'all what the car look like now that it's finally done. And yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, show love, do what y'all gotta do, and Hemi Bass out.
Pain I ain't seen, I ain't felt. Some nights I just can't teach myself. Sit back and thank God that I'm here.